In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pixel ID to Webflow. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate your meta pixel with your Webflow site, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you're equipped to track visitor interactions and optimize your campaigns effectively. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Webflow's website, which you can find by simply searching Webflow online. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option to get started for free. Click on that and it will prompt you to either sign in or create a new account. If you don't have an account, that's not a problem. You can easily create one using your email and a unique password, or you can choose to sign in with your Google account, which is a quick alternative. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Sites section from your Webflow dashboard. Here, if you have multiple projects, find the one you want to integrate your Pixel ID with. Next to your site name, you'll notice a three dots icon. Click on it and then select the gear settings option, which will open up various customization options for your site. From the site settings panel, look for apps and integrations and give it a click. This will present you with integration options available for your Webflow site. You'll need to click on all sites where you'll find the button for Meta Pixel. Clicking on this will bring you to a necessary step where you will need your MetaPixel ID to proceed further. To grab your MetaPixel ID, head over to your MetaPixel account. Once logged in, search through your account settings for a series of numbers and characters. This is your unique Pixel ID. It's crucial to accurately highlight and copy this ID as it will be key to the upcoming steps. Now head back to your Webflow integrations page. Locate the field where you can input your Pixel ID and paste the one you just copied from your Meta account. It's important not to skip this step, as correctly entering this ID ensures your MetaPixel will start tracking data from your Webflow site. After pasting your Pixel ID, take a moment to adjust any settings that are relevant to your tracking needs. This might include specific data points you want to collect or privacy settings. Make sure everything is configured just the way you want before proceeding. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button to secure your changes. Once saved, it's time to publish your site updates. Click on Publish to selected domains, which will apply the integrations to your live site. After publishing, be sure to click Close to finalize the process. And there you have it, your MetaPixel is now integrated with your Webflow site, ready to collect valuable insights. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to rewatch this video or pause wherever you need for a refresher on any of the steps.